Hello, this is a sunny day from Florida in the winter time, 2 days before Christmas. Today I'm gonna show you a problem with my 2007 Prius. The problem is, look, the power outlet on the front that doesn't have any power. So I researched on the YouTube and the Prius chat website. Um, some people pointed that the fuse may be blown. So first I checked the fuse box under the hood here, and I checked everything. This is fine because the center box, the power outlet, is still working. So as you can see here, it's two 15 amp fuses. So I swapped them, and still the central one is working, but the front is not working. Then this car Prius actually has 3 locations for fuel boxes. Another one is located under the driver's seat. You can see here all the way down to the bottom here. Look, yeah, there's a 15 amp there. So what I did is I took that one out, and so look at this one. It looks like a burn, and on the front, the fuse box, there's a backup 15 amp. So I took it out. Look at the backup one. It's good. Okay. All right. Now, just bear me a moment. I'm gonna put this one in. Okay. So, Prius has this little panel shows where things are. So it's right after 7.5 amp. Okay. Number 29. Just put it in. So now what I'm going to do is restart the car and see if that works. Okay, so I'm gonna restart the car here. All right, so look at my central one. It says the light on. So now I'm gonna plug this one here, see if it has any power. All right, look at that. So light is on. Guys, fix the problem. I find out YouTube doesn't have any videos about this fix. It's always about the front fuse box. People have replaced that. So now I'm making this up. Hopefully it helps you. And certainly I've benefited from a lot of YouTube videos. So I want to give it back to the community. All right, enjoy. Bye.